Welcome to the Peer Education Program online training. This training will provide you with the knowledge needed to thrive as a peer educator, as well as enhance your skills to utilize in your specific program. In this module, we will discuss the Towson University Counseling Center, and you will gain a better understanding of all the services offered here at the Counseling Center. A vital role as a peer educator is that no matter where you are, what event you are hosting, or presentation you are running, you are a representative of the Counseling Center. It is very important to be aware of the services offered and be confident to promote them to students as a peer ed. Here's a list of the most common concerns of college students. Take a minute to read through these and think about what sticks out for you. So often, students can be embarrassed about reaching out for help, but may not realize that everyone is struggling in some way. The transition to college can be a very challenging time, both personally and academically. As a peer educator, it is important to be aware of common concerns students may be facing as you interact with them during tabling, events, workshops, or other means. Here's the mission of the Counseling Center. Note that the primary mission is to develop the potential in every student. Keep this mission in mind during your work as a peer ed. You have a unique ability to help facilitate growth and potential in every student you work with in ways that other students may not have. The staff at the Counseling Center is made up of these different roles. On average, there are around 10 psychologists, 2 to 3 psychiatrists, 3 doctoral interns, 3 externs, 2 to 3 health educators, 1 referral coordinator, 2 graduate assistants, and 2 alcohol and drug specialists. This is a summary of the services provided. Both individual and group counseling are available. Couples counseling is also available. Outreach presentations are common for staff members to facilitate, as well as peer educators. The staff is also prepared for walk-in emergencies during the weekdays, and certain staff members rotate for on-call times during the weekends. Now we will go through each service offered and help you gain a better understanding of each. Brief individual and couples counseling helps students to increase self-understanding, resolve problems, learn better coping skills, and overall feel better. The Counseling Center offers psychiatric services too. Medication management and prescriptions are available from our staff psychiatrist. The Counseling Center requires personal counseling to coincide with psychiatric services, and the Counseling Center puts an emphasis on quality care and promotes individual counseling during this time. Group counseling is another awesome option for students. Groups can vary from semester to semester, so be sure to tell students to check out our different groups based on which semester. Here's a list of most of our groups offered at the Counseling Center. The Counseling Center also offers specialized alcohol and drug counseling. Some students may be mandated to engage in alcohol and drug counseling from citations or legal trouble, but it is important to note that students can also seek counseling for alcohol and drug concerns without necessarily being in trouble. It is important to understand our referral program to answer these questions when students ask. In summary, the Counseling Center will never just cut off a student. Rather, students are provided with information about off-campus counseling options, and staff make the referral process as smooth as possible. The Counseling Center outreach programs are very popular around campus. Student groups, organizations, and professors can request any of our multiple programming materials. A list of these programming materials can be found on the Counseling Center's websites. Our services can also be customized to meet the needs of the group requesting this specific program. This is a brief rundown of what people can expect in individual counseling, so you have a solid understanding when students may ask what to expect. The Counseling Center also offers the Peer Education Program. This is a role on campus that is valued and helps students gain useful skills that can be applied in many different ways. The 4 groups offered are alcohol and drug, sexual assault, body image, and wellness. Here is how to make an appointment. After any outreach program you lead as a peer educator, it is important to make sure people know about the counseling center and how to make an appointment. Remember that being a representative of the counseling center is a vital part of your role as a peer ed. It is important to be aware of the services offered here and accurately inform students about them. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your group supervisors.